Hi guys, welcome to today's video. As the title suggests, we are going to learn something about a multicomplexer and a decoder. So without wasting much time, we're going to learn what a multicomplexer is. A multicomplexer is a digital combinational circuit that selects one of several input signals and forwards it to a single output line. Yes. So it acts like a data selector, right? Allowing multiple inputs to share a single transmission line or processing unit. So basically, there's a selector, right? And there are output signals, but then this selector forwards just one. It selects and forwards a single output line, right? And so that's what we are going to learn in this video. We are going to create a simple 4 by one multi-complexer. And without wasting much time, I'm going to select plexes here. And, and guys, sorry, if I say multi-complexer, please, I'm sorry. It's actually multiplexer. Yes, I don't know why I bring the code, but it is multiplexer. Sorry, guys, multiplexer. So I'm going to bring it here. Okay. And so since we want four outputs from the multi-complex on the Canva, we can only see two outputs. We can only see that it is allowing two outputs, but then the problem is actually here at the select bit. So if we are able to select two, it's actually 2 raised to the power 2, making four inputs, right? And let's say we're allowing 9 inputs, we have selected three, right? Making 3 raised to the power 2, and then making 9 inputs. Okay, so as you can see, we selected two, making four, right? So we'll go ahead and select our input pins. Okay, okay. You can actually use copy and paste method to just do everything quickly, but I choose to do it manually. Okay, and then we'll select our output pin as well. Okay, and then our this is our selector. And as you all know, the selector is accepting um, 2 bits, right? Is selecting 2 bits. And we are supposed to change our data bits here to 2. Okay, all right. So we're gonna join everything with our signals. Uh, okay, all right, perfect, wonderful. Okay, so select um, the pointer here, right? We select it, and then now, as you can all see, okay, we can turn everything on, right? So from the definition, the selector here just forwards one signal. And so you can see that the selector is 00 now. And let's say input 1, input 2, input 3, input 4. Input 1 is 00, input 2 is 01, input 3 is 10, and then input 4 is 11. So you can see that when uh, we click on um, input 1, it is actually outputting, right? Because the selector is showcasing 00, right? But then when we turn it off and turn input 2 on, it doesn't output anything. Input 3 as well, and then input 4 as well, it doesn't output anything because the selector is still 01. So let's see if we change the selector to maybe 10, which is supposed to be input 3, right? You see that it is outputting, right? And then input 2 is not, input 1 is not, and then input 4 is not. So it applies, it goes on and on. Let's say 1, that means input 4 is supposed to output, and then input 1, 2, 3 will not output anything. Okay. So now let's quickly look at decoders. And decoders is more or less like the opposite of a multicomplexer. The decoder is a combinational logic circuit that converts coded input signals into a unique output signal. So Same thing as the decoder, we're going to select 2 bits. Oh, sorry, 2 bits. But this time around, the 2 bits here allowing for input or output. Um, so you can see that for the multicomplexer, the four aspect was for the input signals, right? But then here, the four at this side is actually the output, right? So that's why I said it is more or less like an opposite of the multicomplexer. Okay, so we're going to select our selector, okay, and then our output pins. One, two, three, and then lastly four. Okay, and we're going to join them. Okay, and then lastly, right, and then we'll do save for the selector. Oh, sorry guys.